What's up, traders? Going 5 for 5 again today. Let's get to it. All right, traders, as always, if you want to watch these live over on Twitch, go over there, click on my name, click on the videos, click on the little arrow that has a drop-down menu, click highlights, and they're all there. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. Starting here with INO, just a small trade. Nice little pop at the bell. Was really hoping it would go through 750. Had that pre-market area there as well. Clearly didn't seem to want to, so we ended up starting this with smaller size. And yeah, it gave us the drop, so we took it. Really nothing special there. Was really hoping to get a nice trade, you know, if it ran up to like 770, something of that sort. But as you can tell, it just did not want to, so that was a bit frustrating. HUYA, another decent one. Had a nice pop, but it was kind of on the slower side. Kind of worked its way up. Was really hoping this would actually gain some speed and run up through 10, but it did not. Kind of a nice pop there through 950, but again, it wasn't very fast, so we ended up taking smaller size again on this one and just took the drop when it gave it to us. So nothing special there. Then we had QUBT. We actually traded this one twice. Same scenario as the other one, right? Big move up into a halt, but still under these pre-market levels. I was really hoping out of the halt it might gap up a little bit like on the other side of 850 and run up through 9. It opened up right at the halt price, I believe, 840, 831, so it opened up 9 cents higher. Kind of slowly made its way up to 875 and then just jiggled pretty hard there. Ended up taking a starter and just took it off when it gave us the dump back down to that level. Assuming it's going to bounce there almost all the time because that's what people look for on these out of the halt situations. They look for a move up, the dip down to that key level. People buy it up and it always seems to try to go higher. However, it went back up and then pretty much gave us a false breakout. So when I saw it went, I think it was like 10 cents higher, 880, 890. Yep. So it went 10 cents higher, started to come back down, immediately took it. I was ready to jump back into this with some decent size if it made the run up through 9 after that move. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. And then on the way back down, it started to feel like it was holding 860. And because I had shorted this after it already made that big pullback that we look for, I was not willing to let this go back against me at this point. Either this was a right or right out type trade, and we never even tested 850. There was a big buyer stepping in at 860. It kept holding there, and once I saw signs of it going, it actually broke 860. It went to like 858, but then it shot right back up through 860s. And when I saw that, I just took it off because again, we were smaller size, not worth getting into a trade we didn't want to be in. So it just added a little bit of a winner there. And then just recently, not too long ago, we traded IPOF. This was a pretty decent move up through the $0.50. We actually missed the first move, which was here, 1066. It actually pulled back some from there, but then it came back up and made a nice little pop and realized it didn't want to go higher, kind of a fake break situation. And I really wanted to hold for 1050, but we put an order out as like right after we got in, and it came down and hit us like right away. So it was kind of the, hey, if you want to flush down here and take me out, that's fine. Because if you see on Twitter, the screenshot I ended up taking, which was like instantly after it filled me, was the price was already back up to like 1062. It came down, hit me, and went back up, and then eventually started to make its way down again. So just a quick trade there to add on a little bit to a pretty slow day. And that's all I got. So another slower day, but all green, which is always good. Just going to keep on trucking. That's all we can do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. You can find me on Discord, find me on Twitter. If you want to leave any comments, you can also do that down below in the comment section. And I look forward to seeing those and seeing you tomorrow. Peace.